elegance that flows. This teapot runner features a unique petal-stitched border, bringing a soft, garden-inspired touch to your dining experience. Pour some love into your home decor. Our Coffee and Hearts runner combines a bold central motif with delicate heart-shaped edges for the ultimate cozy vibe. Invite nature's beauty indoors with our Singing Bird lace mat, a perfect blend of airy craftsmanship and stable, flat motif design. Celebrate the cozy season with our Winter Mitten mat. Traditional lace meets modern flat-stitch art for a warm, handcrafted feel. Add a touch of whimsical grace to your decor with our Butterfly lace mat, handcrafted with intricate detail and a sleek, flat finish. Start your morning with a touch of handmade elegance. Our coffee cup frame mat is the perfect blend of cozy vibes and intricate lacework. Bring the charm of the garden to your home with our uniquely framed watering can motif mat, delicate, flat, and beautifully detailed. Celebrate craftsmanship with the vibrant energy of our golden marigold mat, hand-stitched to stay flat while adding a burst of festive color to your table. Bring a sense of peace to your home with our sacred lotus mat. Its flat-stitched, symmetrical design offers an elegant and stable surface for your finest decor. Indulge in the delicate beauty of our Midnight Jasmine mat, a handcrafted tribute to the serenity and fragrance of nature in a sleek, flat form, artistic depth in a minimalist form. Our Velvet Pansy mat showcases the beauty of multi-toned flat motif crochet for a refined and colorful home. Bring the spirit of the tropics home. Our Island Hibiscus mat features a bold, flat motif design that adds vibrant color without compromising on modern functionality. Pure, elegant, and perfectly flat. Our Pure Lily mat brings a touch of sophisticated nature to your table with its seamless handcrafted floral motif. Invite the serenity of spring into your living space with our Cherry Blossom flat motif mat, delicate, handcrafted, and perfectly sleek. Exquisite detail meets a modern level surface. Our Soft Orchid mat is the pinnacle of handcrafted luxury, designed for the sophisticated home. Make a bold statement with the artistic flair of our Wild Poppy mat, a masterpiece of flat-stitch crochet that brings vibrant nature to your home. Simply sweet and serene, our Mystic Bluebell mat showcases the beauty of minimal flat motif artistry, perfect for a peaceful and artisanal touch. Graceful and elegant, our Delicate Tulip mat features a sleek, flat motif design that redefines traditional craft for contemporary living. Capture the joy of sunshine with our Sunny Sunflower mat, where artisanal skill meets a clean, flat-stitch design for a cheerful and modern table. Calm, serene, and beautifully crafted. Our Lavender Sprig mat showcases the art of minimalist flat motif crochet for a sophisticated lifestyle. Timeless elegance in every stitch. Our Romantic Rose mat features a flat-stitched floral motif, perfect for adding a touch of classic beauty to your home. Bring the freshness of spring to your table with our Spring Daisy mat, where delicate floral art meets a sleek, handcrafted finish. Bold style meets seamless detail. Our Pomegranate mat showcases the beauty of flat motif crochet, bringing rich tones and artisanal elegance to your home decor. Experience the warmth of artisanal craft with our Sunny Mango mat. Every motif is stitched flat to stay level, offering a refined and sophisticated handmade touch. Crisp, clean, and handcrafted, our Green Apple mat features a flat stitch design that brings a fresh, modern aesthetic to your table without the bulk. Simple, sleek, and sweet. Our blueberry cluster mat features flat motif artistry, perfect for a contemporary table setting with a handmade touch. Tropical vibes, redefined. Our sunny pineapple mat offers a handcrafted flat stitch design that stays level while bringing a burst of gold to your home. Discover the artistic charm of our flat-stitched fig motif mat, where deep, rich colors meet a sleek, modern finish for your dining space. Rich colors, zero bulk. Our autumn plum mat showcases the art of flat motif crochet, bringing deep tones and handcrafted detail to your modern home. Soft hues meet seamless craft. Experience the delicate beauty of our hand-stitched peach motif, designed to stay flat and elegant on your table. Fresh and modern, our tropical kiwi mat features a flat-stitched motif that blends perfectly into the fabric for a sleek, artisanal finish. Delicate and sleek, our ruby cherry mat features flat-stitched motifs that redefine traditional crochet. Enjoy the beauty of handmade art without the bulk, crafted for the modern home. Sophistication meets simplicity with our golden pear integrated mat. Each motif is meticulously stitched to stay flat, offering a refined touch to your artisanal home decor.
Discover the seamless beauty of our watermelon motif mat, where vibrant summer colours are stitched flat for a sleek and modern handmade look. It is a perfect blend of craft and minimalist design. Draped in elegance, our grapevine crochet mat adds a touch of vineyard charm to your dining experience. Handcrafted perfection for those who love detail. Bring a tropical breeze into your home with this golden pineapple artisan mat. A perfect blend of intricate craft and sunny, sophisticated style. Sweeten your home decor with our delightful strawberry garden mat. Every stitch is handcrafted to bring a burst of berry fresh joy to your table. Fresh, sunny, and uniquely yours, our lemon-themed crochet mat is the perfect summer accessory for your home. Experience the beauty of handmade art. Add a touch of classic sweetness to your home with our red apple artisanal mat. Perfection in every loop, designed to bring warmth to your table. Brighten up your dining space with the fresh, zesty charm of our handcrafted orange mat. Every stitch is a celebration of craftsmanship and vibrant style.